You can see from there? We'll find out later.
Is it on? I'm recording.
Hi, Internet. How are you?
I'm gonna give him a peek.
Oh, they just like scratch my nose off. Oh, very
We're
dog.
sitting in a refrigerator. Is it recording?
Doesn't seem as fun now.
Did I swallow my toothpaste?
Right there. You like spit the thing out at me.
Because it's right here. I don't know.
Freaking dog. She won't let. Shut up. Uh-oh. Sit. Stay. Stay. Yeah, that one tastes like water. Like, it had no flavor. Oh, it's in my teeth.
What do you do, like, Dylan walked in here?
Like in my house, just by himself?
Like, you look in the window and we're eating pineapple on the floor in the refrigerator.
I'd be like, what are you looking at? Jealous?
We're gonna
Wish
wake
you
up
had a
with
friend?
chip my cheeks. Oh. It's still recording.
I don't know.
People can get bored.
Let's
Why
talk
are they
about
facing
something.
me?
Uh-oh.
Should we go? Yes.
Fortunately, she's a puppy and I have to watch her. Okay, if it was Daisy, dog would be knocked out. Except she knew what it sounded like when the fridge opened. Bam! Oh my god. How like stretches your muscle out? Right there? Sideways? It's all over me.
You did you.
You wanted me. You're like a spit monster. I didn't know I was gonna eat all this. I'm gonna be sick.
Irrevocable.
What? I thought I had to burp. I guess I didn't. Whoa, where'd that shelf come from? Really? What fits there? Like, what can you put? The camera?
No.
The bottle?
Yeah, let's see how we're doing it.
It's locked down. Sorry, it's closed. My aunt gave me one time. Not. Watch, there'll be fingerprints on it. Katie. What? It's closed. Yeah, my aunt gave me one when I was at her house. She's like, oh, and I was like, sure, why not?
I'm gonna keep it straight, please. I can't do it anymore. What was that? Wait.
I don't even think I'm in the picture.
Hello? Let's just tell Justin so you can see what we're on. We're sniffing pineapple.
No, we're eating it. I don't know about you, but I'm eating it. That's right, I'm eating it. I'm gonna delete my eye.
It's the
teriyaki sauce.
Want some wine?
Mirasso. Merlot.
Dare me?
Merlot. Yeah, I dare you.
Like, open it.
Look at her. Is it old? Well, yeah. Did you smell it or drink it? Time it.
Try it?
No, no thanks.
See?
You can't smell it. You missed my face, I think. I have some pineapple, like.
Someone scare me.
No. No.
Bye, pineapple.
Bye. See you next year.
And I have like all.
Where did we put this?
Behind.
Nope, it's going over there. Look at it spit. I bet it is.
What's that?
Oh wait, I forgot the camera. Hello? Oh, look at it on both sides. Oh.
Mine's better. Look. It's on my throat. Oh, it's stuck on my teeth.
Oh. Microwave topping. Oh, I had some of that last night. It's not new.
Let's go to sleep. Good night, YouTube. Good night.
Morning. Night. Morning. Oh.